Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to show you 4 hidden incredible features of Google Chrome browser that you should use in 2026. And these are incredible features and you can do a lot of things now in your browser. So the first feature is cross device flow. Actually, now you should stop emailing links to yourself. Why? Because sometimes the same link you want to open in your mobile browser. So now you can stop this thing. Ensure that just the Chrome is signed into the same Google account on both devices. Then right click the you can see this is device, the address bar, or tab on your desktop. So right click the address bar or tab on your desktop. So select, now you can see here, send to your devices. So now you can see my devices where I am logged in. So this is Vivo phone, and if I click on Vivo phone, so it has been sent. See, I have received even. Let me show you the screenshot in my mobile device. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, let me show you now. So you can see this one I received in my mobile. So same thing, see, you can see here the link, what drinks can people with diabetes consume, and you can also see this, see what drinks. So this link I didn't email, so just I wanted to open in another one of my devices. So just I right click and select send to your devices. So where you are logged in, you can send. And the next thing, like the instant retrieval, so the reverse workflow, you can pull tabs from mobile to desktop without touching your phone. Right now, if I see in my mobile device, I have opened like 24 tabs in my Google Chrome, mobile Google Chrome browser. So the pull method, you can click the more icon, 3 dots here, and navigate to history, and here you can see your devices. You can see tabs from other devices sometimes here. So your devices, now see, this is the device I'm talking about. So see all the links, 24 I can see here. So one of them, any that I want to open, for instance, I want to open like this Grok account, and or like this one, and this one, see, everything like this one I want to open. See, Faisal Islamic Note card. So this was opened in my mobile device. Now it is open here. So it is very easy. In the history, you can see different history of your devices. So you can open from there. See, like this one, to direct, it will open here. So this was the feature 1 that I explained to you, and this is incredible. Now feature 2 is also very good. So the next feature is also very incredible. Like this is Chrome Actions. So velocity via command line, and this is very easy. Like you don't need to go to now Google Docs, Google Sheets, and events, or if you want to create note. So in your browser, you can do all these things just by typing the command line. For instance, create doc. So you can see create a doc. Now this will not work as a query. Instead of query or search, it will directly see. This is Google search, but this one will work as a velocity via command line. This will implement as an action. So it will create a doc directly in your Google Docs. See, incredible. Now in the browser we have directly open a new document in Google Docs, and then create sheet. So you can see this is create sheet. You can see sheet has been created. Same like you can do like create event. So you can create event and see, and like create note you want to create. So you can create note. So, and for example, manage cookies. You want to manage cookies, so you can directly manage from here. You want to customize Chrome, or yes, this one is here. See, customize Chrome, you can do it from here. And password you can also see from password. So this is the thing you can do. A lot of, I didn't open the password tab because this, like privacy, my privacy. Therefore, I just showed you these things. So this is an incredible feature according to me. And the next feature is split view. For example, if we open here two tabs, let me close all other. Now here you can see this one is one of my blog posts, and now you don't need to toggle. You can stop toggling and you can view two pages in one tab. And you can right click a tab, select add tab to new split view. See here, you can right click and add tab to new split view. So here we have the another document that was sheet. So you see, now both are in one tab. You can see both tabs now we can view. So this is dual pane productivity actually, and split view now you can see here. This is also very good for developers, also for other people, other users. This is a very good feature. So the next option is also very good. If I open my website, this is actually the next feature is reading mode, and this is declutter the modern web. So for instance, if we open like this one is one of my posts. So 7 watermelon seed benefits and why you should keep them. So you can, the activation process, you can right click any empty space in the browser and select open in reading mode. So you can see reading mode will open, and here we can see now the entire post here. The text, for example, if I want to see this one, so I can just highlight and you can see it is here. So I can open the value like strips, away ads, banners, and layout shifts for pure cognitive focus. This is incredible feature. And here now you can see, for example, you want to change the font size, you can change a lot of things you can do here. So this is also a very good thing. See this one like pop in sans serif, like this font, and font size if you want to increase or decrease. These are the features of reading mode, details of reading mode that can tailor your consumption experience. So you can use these options as well. So I have explained these 4 incredible features of Google Chrome browser that you should use must in 2026. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.